are some of the alternatives to create your baked goods as gluten free? Because I know you can't have rye, wheat, and there's a third. Is it yeast? I forget. There's three for
Uh,
those with Is it
Yeast you can.
okay? Because I know it's wheat and rye. I forgot the third one. Oh, all things. But what are the alternatives for? Oh, and just no, yeah, no regular flours in there.
You can buy gluten-free yeast, but make sure it's actually gluten-free. Sometimes the label's really bad, like they don't really say it's gluten-free, but it is. But yeah, I focus on sourdough because it's a natural raising agent. Secondly, it is yeast, but it's like wild yeast, and it's made from, I think, bacteria. It's the because it's simply it's just gluten-free flour and water, and you can add like honey or other sugar to speed up the process. And it's a long process. It takes like a week to actually do it. That's that's why I also to be time to realize I separate the sourdough because I have a dehydrator, so I dry the starter, and it took me a while to realize keep it separately. So I give the customers the right amount of starter with the flour in the mix. And the last few months, I've been supplying extra flour just in case it doesn't come as active. So they can make the starter separately and add the mix and do the mix, add to the bread mix they order.